Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my Mommy's Mini Me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, I got a package came in today, and this is my very first sponsored video. And to all parents, aunties, and uncles, and sisters, like even myself, that who wants to give a present to their kids, birthday presents or a Christmas present to the younger kids. So this video is for you. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. This company sent me this, and the name of the company is GINMIC. They emailed me and asked me if I want to sponsor, one of their product, and I said yes. So this is it. This is what I got in the mail today, and ta-da! This is a kids doctor's kit. Like, this one is for ages 3 and plus. That's what it says in the box. You have a younger ones, okay, but not for under 3 years old. This is 3 and above. So let's check what's in the box, guys. Okay, this looks like the one in the box. It looks like that they have this it says little doctor set that sponsored me, the GINMIC. And okay, it says warning for little kids. And so they have a lot of stuff in this little box here, or this little kit over here. So okay, let's see, guys, what's in here. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. That's how cute it is. So let's open it. Look. So what I got over here, what I got in this plastic is a uniform. Oh, it's a little uniform. Oh my goodness, how cute that is. It's so cute. A little uniform. It's a white and a green. And they also have a mask. Whoa. There's a little mask that comes with it. Okay, that. And then what else in here? I have this. I don't really know what it is. What is this for, guys? So, what is this for? I don't know. I have that, and this, probably, the mirror for your teeth. Kind of like that. And this one is for, like, to check your maybe ears or eyes or mouth. I'm not really sure. So I'm not really familiar with that, with those stuff. And this one is a thermometer. Okay, they're so cute. So that's that in this bag. And then I don't know what's this one. Probably to hook. It's a hook that you can just hang your you can hang the mask, maybe like that. And then the uniform or the coat, you can just hang it in this little hanger here. Yeah. And then what else? In this bag we have a tweezer. Look at that, it's so cute. A little eyeglasses like that. Eyeglasses. Oh, they're so cute, really. And then a scissor. And another one. I don't really know what this is. So, and this one is like a syringe. So that's what's in the bag. And these are so cute, guys. I bet your kids, you know, kids would love it. And what is this? I don't know. Okay. Okay. And this one is for the bag. What do you call that one? Like a sling bag or something like that. Probably. And what else is in here? Stethoscope. You have a stethoscope. Okay, check if I have, you know, like, okay, let's gotta check. This is so cute, guys. Okay, that's that stethoscope. And we have, you know, to put your, it's a box where you can put your medicine. And I got 2 boxes over here, two, three boxes here. And I don't know what else. These are the bandages. They have a family. It says, yeah, it's a bandages. I got 3 of them. Yeah, 3 stickers, bandages. And what else do we have here? Okay. Okay, it's just stickers. They're all stickers that you can just put your, stick it to this little kit here. Maybe. Yeah, you yeah, this one, little kit. Okay, it's just a little bit of a manual, a little manual for what's in this little kit here. Yeah, it tells you what's in here. There's pictures. And I just want to say thank you for the GINMIC for sponsoring me. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.